Hi everyone. Today start now the new article is hexadecimal number system. Okay. In last lecture you see the different decimal numbers systems. In that the binary number system, decimal number system and octal number system. And fourth number system is the hexadecimal number system. Okay. In that the hexadecimal number system is primarily used as a compact way of displaying or writing the binary numbers. Okay, this hexadecimal number system is simply used for the displaying or writing the binary numbers. Okay, because it provides a very convenient way to convert binary to hexadecimal number and vice versa. Okay, because of the provides a very convenient way to conversion of the binary to hexadecimal. That means simply conversion of the binary to hexadecimal number system. So displaying or writing the binary numbers used in a hexadecimal number system. Okay, therefore it is more conveniently used number system to express the binary quantities in computer and microprocessor for input and output purposes than that of the octal numbers. That means this hexadecimal number system is mostly used in a number systems to express the binary quantities in a computers. Okay, and the microprocessors used in a different inputs and outputs used input and output purposes than that of the octal numbers used in a hexadecimal number system. Okay, in that the hexadecimal number system is composed of 16 digits. Okay, in that the consist of the 16 digits. Same that of the in a binary number system consist of 2 digits, or decimal number system consists of the 10 digits. Octal number system consists of the 8 digits. Okay, so in this hexadecimal number system composed or consist of the 16 digits, so the radix or base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, MCQ ला क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. Okay, base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is the 16, because of in this system consist of the 16 digits. Okay, this number system is similar to decimal number system. You know that the decimal number system consists of the 10 digits, which 0 to 9. So here in this number system similar or used in a decimal number system up to the 0 to 9. Same that of the decimal number system 0 to 9 numbers here used in the hexadecimal number system. And after 9 number नंतर बघा, after 9 it continue to count with letter from the A to F. Okay, that means in this hexadecimal number system firstly 0 to 9, that means 10 digits used in a number 0 to 9, and after 9 it continue to count with the letters. That means the 10 means the in that here hexadecimal number system letter used in a. When the 11 number in the hexadecimal number system, right now the letter of the B. Okay, in this way up to A to F letters used in the hexadecimal systems after 9 number. Okay, the distinguish the hexadecimal number in that the hexadecimal number octal in that the hexadecimal, decimal, octal and binary equivalents are tabularized. Okay, in the below table here shows the decimal number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system and binary number system. Okay, in that to distinguish the hexadecimal number from the other number system number, the 16 is used at the subscript of the hexadecimal numbers. For example, here used in a B16. B is the hexadecimal number and 16 is the indicate that the base or radix of the hexadecimal number. Okay, in hexadecimal is equivalent to the 11 in a decimal. That means in that the 11 number is the decimal number and hexadecimal number is the B. That means the B is the hexadecimal number. It is the equivalent to the decimal number 11. Okay, here shows the table is the hexadecimal count along with the decimal, octal and binary equivalent. That means here this table is shows टेबलमध्ये काय काय दिलेले बघा, डेसिमल नंबर दिलेले आहेत 0 to 15. इथपर्यंत 10 आहेत. नेक्स्ट पेजवरती किती आहेत, 15पर्यंत आहेत बघा. डेसिमल नंबर 0 to 10. हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर 0 to 9 is here used 9, and after 9 number used in A to F letters. Then octal number. In the octal number consist of the 0 to 7 digits. That means 8 digits. 8 and 9 numbers here. Ignore, and then use in the directly 10 number, that means a combination of 0 to 7 numbers. Okay, then binary number here used in a 0 and 1 digit, or combination of the 0 and 1 digit. So here see, the decimal number is the 0, in the hexadecimal number is 0 is the 0, octal number is the 0, and binary number 0 means the in the 4 bit, here usually in the 4 bit binary number system. Here 0 means the 4 times 0, that means 0 0 0 0, that means the 0. Okay, then second decimal number is the 1, hexadecimal number as it is known the 1, octal number as it is known as the 1, and in the binary number right now the bit, that means the 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1. Then second number is the 2, decimal number is the 2, hexadecimal number is the same that of the 2, octal number is the 2, and in the binary number 2 is right now the 0 0 1 0. Okay, then 3, decimal number, hexadecimal number or octal number 3, in the binary number right now the 3 number is the 0 0 1 1, that means in that the 1 is the shifting for the 0 in a right to the left side. Okay, then 4, decimal number 4, hexadecimal number 4 or octal number 4, in the binary number 1 is again shifted in a second digit, that means the in binary number system 4 is right now the 0 1 0 0, that means the 4. Okay, then 5 is the decimal number system, hexadecimal number system or octal number system. In the binary number system right, the 5 is the 0 1 0 1. Okay, same that of the 6 number system, in the binary number system write the 0 1 1 0. Okay, 7 is the hexadecimal, decimal or octal number system. 7 is the same number used in the 7, and in the binary number system used in the 0 1 1 1. Okay, then 8 number, in the decimal number 8, hexadecimal number 8, and in the octal number system 8 is indicate or mention, or 8 is equivalent to the 10. Okay, that means in the octal number system मध्ये 8 म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे तर 10 असणार आहे, and in the binary number system 8 is the 1 0 0 0. Okay, then decimal number system 9, hexadecimal number system 9, and in the octal number system next number 9 means the equivalent to the 11. Okay, and in the binary number system 1 0 0 1. Then decimal number system 10, in the hexadecimal number system is the 0 used in the 0 to 9 numbers, and after 9 number used in the A to F letter. So here in the decimal number system 10 and hexadecimal number system is the A, 10 means the letter A, and in the octal number system next is the 10 means the 12, and in the binary number system 10 is right now the 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is the decimal, hexadecimal or octal number system. After 10 numbers here, see the table in the decimal number system 11. Okay, here 11 in the hexadecimal number system is the next letter is the B, is equivalent to the 11, and octal number system 13 is equivalent to the 11, or in the binary number system 11 is right now the 1 0 1 1. Okay, in the next number is the 12, in the hexadecimal number system next letter is the C, C means the equivalent to the 12, in the octal number system 14 is equivalent to the 12, and in the binary number system 1 1 0 0 is the equivalent to the decimal number 12. Okay, next digit is the 13. In the hexadecimal number system D, next letter is the D, is equivalent to the 13. Octal number system 15 is equivalent to the 13, or binary number system 1101 is the equivalent to the 13 decimal number. Okay, the next number is the 14. 14 is the in the hexadecimal number system right now the next letter is the E, is the equivalent to the 14 number. In the octal number system 16 is equivalent to the 14 number, or binary number system 1110 is the equivalent to the 14 decimal number. Okay, then the 15 number. Okay, 15 number in the hexadecimal number system. Next letter is the F. F is the equivalent to the decimal number 15. Octal number system, 17 number is equivalent to the 15 decimal number system, and in the binary number system 1111 is the equivalent to the 15 of the decimal number. Okay, see the 0 to 15 decimal number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system, and binary number system. Okay, then in that, the similar to the decimal number system, the hexadecimal number system is a weighted number system. That means in the same way, in the, you know that the decimal number system number is the weighted number system. So in this hexadecimal number system is again the weighted number system. That means in that consists of the different numbers is gives to the position, or in that consist of the different digits. These digits is gives to the its own weightage. Okay, or weights. Okay, so see the value of a digit is determined by its position in the number. Okay, म्हणजेच त्याच्यामध्ये त्या नंबरची जी व्हॅल्यू असेल ती त्याच्या डिजिटच्या पोझिशनवरती डिपेंड असणार, की तो किती कोणत्या पोझिशनवरती आहे, तो डिजिट किती नंबरच्या पोझिशनला आहे त्याच्यावरून त्याचं वेटेज डिटरमाइन केलं जाणार आहे. ओके, दीज वेट्स आर एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द पॉवर ऑफ 16. Okay, these weights given the different digit weights are the expressed in the power of 16. 16 means the in the hexadecimal number system base or radix is the 16. Okay, as the radix or base of the hexadecimal number system is the 16. Okay, then the weights from the hexadecimal point to the left are positive. Okay, in the hexadecimal point, weights are the hexadecimal points left side of the positive. That means the 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2, 16 raised to 3. In this way the 16 raised to 4, 16 raised to 5, 16 raised to up to the 16 raised to n minus 1. That means in the hexadecimal point in the left side, first digit is indicate the weight of the 16 raised to 0. Next digit is indicate that the 16 raised to 1. Then next digit is indicate that the 16 raised to 2, in this way. Okay, and to the right are the negative. That means the hexadecimal points rights digits or rights numbers is weightage is indicate that the 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 3, 16 raised to minus 4. In this way the 16 raised to minus n number of the digits. Okay, in the right side of the hexadecimal point. Okay, which is presented as here, expressed as the here right now the point centrally point is the decimal point. Okay, in the hexadecimal numbers gives to the point is the hexadecimal point. In the right side is the 16 raised to minus 1. That means the negative power of the 16 in the digits weightage indicate that the, okay, then the decimal hexadecimal points left side digits is indicate that the positive power of the 16. Okay, this positive power of the 16 is indicate that the different digit positions. Okay, then here in that in this represented which is presented as the power of the given hexadecimal points. Okay, where in that n is the number of the bits. Okay, in that the n is the number of bits from the hexadecimal point. Okay, in the hexadecimal points n, that means 6 raised to n minus 1, 6 raised to n minus n. N is the number of the bits. Okay, n number of the bits. The power of 16 and their equivalent decimal weight for 4-digit hexadecimal whole and 2-digit hexadecimal fractional number is stabilized. That means here right now the 16 in the positive or negative power of the 16 which are the calculated by using the scientific calci, which are the this scientific calci is used in the exam. Okay, in that the here gives to the hexadecimal weights in the positive power of 16. This positive power of the 16 is equivalent decimal weights. Negative power of 16 is equivalent decimal weights. Okay, in that the positive power of 16 first 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 0 means the 1. Okay, हे तुम्ही सायंटिफिक कॅल्सी याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्समध्ये कॅल्क्युलेशनसाठी तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. ओके. एक्झामसाठी पण तुम्ही तो सायंटिफिक कॅल्सी यूज करू शकता. 6⁻0 तुम्ही म्हणाल 1 कसं काय, 16⁻1 मीन्स द 16, 6⁻2 मीन्स द 256, 16⁻3 मीन्स द 496. हे कशावरून काढलेलं तर सायंटिफिक कॅल्सीवरून काढलेले, की आपण ह्याचं प्रत्येक डिजिटचा जो वेट असेल ओके तो फिक्स असणार. दॅट मीन्स 6⁻0 मीन्स 1 हा फिक्स असणार आहे. 6⁻1 मीन्स द 16. ओके, हा तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये यूज करणार आहे. वेटेज इक्विव्हॅलंट डेसिमल वेट्स. देन निगेटिव्ह पॉवर ऑफ 16 इन दॅट द 60⁻1, 60⁻2 अप टू दी 16⁻n. ओके, in this way gives to the equivalent decimal weights. In the 16⁻1 is the 0.0625. 6⁻2 is the 0.0039. In this way the calculate by using the scientific calculate the negative power of the 16. Different negative power of the 16 तुम्ही scientific calci यूज करून इक्विव्हॅलंट डेसिमल वेट हे त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. ओके, दिस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम, दिस आर्टिकल इज हिअर कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, आय थिंक गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू दिस आर्टिकल. ओके, हिअर दिस टेबल इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट टेबल ऑफ इन अ एक्झाम डायरेक्शन. ओके, इन दॅट द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम. म्हणजे तुम्ही हा टेबल फक्त एवढा जरी अंडरस्टँड केला किंवा लक्षात ठेवला किंवा पाठ केला तर तुम्हाला कुठलीच नंबर सिस्टीम ही अवघड जाणार नाही. दॅट मीन्स द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम दिलेले त्याच्यामध्ये असणारे जे नंबर्स, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम, ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टीम अँड बायनरी नंबर सिस्टीम, त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला काय होणार तर प्रत्येक 4ही नंबर सिस्टीम, ज्या नंबर सिस्टीममधल्या 4 डिफरंट नंबर सिस्टीम असतील त्या सेपरेटली तुम्हाला अभ्यास करावा लागणार नाही. फक्त हा टेबल जरी तुम्ही व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवला तर त्या टेबलवरून तुम्ही त्या प्रत्येक नंबर सिस्टीम ह्या आर्टिकल हे राईट करू शकता. ओके, आय थिंक दिस आर्टिकल इज हिअर कम्प्लिटेड. आय थिंक दिस आर्टिकल इज गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, आय थिंक स्टॉप हिअर. ओके, थँक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.